ndio tumetoka church. Today I'm the supper day. I'm the one cooking and preparing supper. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as you see the way I'm cooking. So the ugali is ready. Now I'm karanging the skuma with the meat. So kapo tu uone penye tunapika. So wacha tukoroge ichemke haraka tukiendeleaga slowly by slowly. Haya, when the nyanya is ready boil, you take a Royco cube, you press it on the sufuria. You press it two pieces. You press them. Then you boil it again. You relax and see what will happen later. Let you see. Oh mama, tetema. When the nyanya is ready, you take the skuma greens, put them in the sufuria. You reduce the volume kidogo. You reduce the volume kidogo. Unangoja, unafunikia. You wait. Let's continue. Unaangalia. Haya. If the greens imeshakuwa steamed, you take the meat. Unachukua. Unaweka. Ukieka hata usikoroge, unafunika. Let's look. Tunaangalia after 30 hours zikisha una confirm kama imeiva. So chakula yetu iko ready. Welcome, we eat together.